Brother. Brother. Brother.
You're here. What is it? I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem, brother. I'm just worried. I'm worried because you're not fine. Huh? The way you behave these days baffles me a lot. You kiss while you sleep. You talk to yourself while you are awake. And other strange things you do. Listen, brother. I am your brother. Talk to me. What is the problem?
Brother, I want to come on, man. Yeah, but I know Dikeh. If it's something I can tell you, or something I know you have solution for, why not? I will share it with my brother, but just I'll be fine. Don't worry. Don't worry about me on the phone.
Okay, if you insist, let me just shut my mouth. Oh, brother, I'll be going out. Let me just take a stroll. Take care of yourself, huh?
Yeah, hello? Yeah, it's me, Alex. Please, can we see today, later this evening? It's very important. Okay, thank you very much.
You see, the game of love is just like a fire. It keep on burning until it burns itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire.
Why are you looking at me like that? You don't want me to eat the food?
I was just trying to differentiate between you and the morning sun. But then, there's no difference. Because you glow. You are so beautiful. And I'm so proud to have you in my life.
You know, those are the kindest words I've heard in recent times. And it's actually melted my heart. You glow too. I'll borrow your words.
No, you're beautiful. Damn.
Thank you. Okay, so now can I go back to my food? Okay, no, I won't allow that. Oh, it's for me. It's not nice. What's wrong with you? But the food is actually very, very nice.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite restaurants.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You make good food.
He is rich and cute, but I don't think I love him as I pretend to. But do I have a choice? He possesses the major features my parents want. Maybe, just maybe, I can do it for their sake.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
You okay?
Of course, I'm fine. I am a little bit shy to say this, but you're handsome.
You're gorgeous too.
I know. That was a joke.
Sure you're fine?
Of course I am. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Cheers. Why do I have a feeling you're not fine?
Me? No, I'm fine, of course. The house is really, really nice. I'm sorry I'm saying that again.
So do you want to come over?
Maybe not. No. No.
My sister called and said that Lillian came back late last night.
Serious? Mama, that means our affairs is coming to reality.
I don't think so. Because my sister said someone dropped her with a private car. And we all know that Mike could not afford 2 square meals, not to talk of buying a car.
Let it not be that what I'm thinking is about to happen.
What are you thinking?
Let it not be that our daughter, only daughter, is going into Ashawu work.
If it's prostitution that will make her stand on her feet as we've always wanted, then let it be. After all, it's those girls that prostitute that go get better husbands and richer ones, not the people that behave like holier than thou. There's nothing wrong with it.
Are you the one saying all this? You are suggesting that our only daughter goes into Ashawu work.
Nine. Let her be the Ashawo now and liberate us from poverty. Do you like as we are? Let her do it. There is nothing wrong in it. And look after their parents.
You are a bad mother. Yes. You are a disgrace to motherhood.
You are a disgrace to fatherhood. If you had been taking care of your family, providing for them, all these things would not have occurred. You are a shameless man.
Am I the one you are talking to in this manner?
I am talking to your father and your mother.
I take that as an insult.
You are the one that insulted yourself.
I take that.
Mama, what is it now? Why are you people just...
Ask your father! Ask him! Linus, just thank your stars that you did not touch me. If you had touched me, what is it?
Mocking us.
Yes, it's you! You will not do anything! You can't provide for your family! Shameless man! You have failed as a father if you don't
Mama, enough now, it's okay.
Were you not here when you tried to hit me? Omagogi! Omagogi!
You shouldn't start fighting now.
Look at him, shameless man that cannot provide for his family. You have failed as a father if you don't know. You have failed. You are a total disgrace.
You know Papa have got them. Oh, we can chop Papa here.
Chop more. That will never happen. Because I could go to Maka.
see the game of love is just like a fire. It keep up burning until it's done itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put out. No matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say where you are. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. If I'm to make another choice, I will choose another you. If I'm to be a queen, I won't think twice to make you my king. If I'm to describe you with only one word, I will say that you are life. The love is so strong, but they don't understand, no. Allow me to be with the one I love, and that is my wish. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning, it can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say where you are, it's where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. Oh, in your hands. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. Oh, the game of love is just like a fire. It keep up burning until it burns itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning, it can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say where you are, it's where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. Oh, in your hands. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. Oh, if I'm to make another choice, I will choose another you. If I'm to be a queen, I won't think twice to make you my king. If I'm to describe you with only one word, I will say that you are life. The love is so strong, but they don't understand, no. Allow me to be with the one I love, and that is my wish. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning, it can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say where you are, it's where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs.
What is this? What's going on?
Well, in case you can't read clearly, it says, please be the mother of my children. marry me, my love?
I'm scared. I don't want my heart broken.
You don't have to be scared. I want you in my life.
Even if the world turns its back on me, I'll be with you 247. Because you're my star, my legend, my hero, my irreplaceable star. I can't imagine spending my life with anyone else except you. Where would I find a perfect gentleman like you? Even the air I breathe says the same.
I love you, Lillian. I love you so much. We would never stay apart from each other, no matter the circumstances. We would stick to each other, conquer. I love you.
I fell in love with your courage, your sincerity, your flaming self-respect. Nothing in this world can ever change that.
You know, the way you speak to me is so strong. The way you speak directly into my heart. Your word can light up the dark. Therefore, I make a vow to you with my soul that I would never forsake you, even in death.
Over my dead body will I allow you to marry that riffraff? I said I would rather die than to have that happen under my roof. Listen to me. When I die, I'll come out from my grave and fight you both physically and spiritually. Yeah? Yes, I'll fight you spiritually and physically. I will haunt you. My soul will haunt you because you never rest in the grave until you die.
And I will not
You think, just leave me. You think you are the person that brought yourself into this life. I am the person that brought you. Yes, and I will take you anytime I want.
And I'm the one that carried you in my wombs. We will never accept that. It will not happen. Not in this house.
You think?
No,
just leave me. Let me deal with this.
Leave her. Papa, no. Papa, be calm. Papa, please now, please.
Yes, I'll marry you. Oh my God.
We did it.
This is beautiful.
Just like you.
Thank you. I love it. It's so
Much love
okay, so can you please be the mother of my children? Please will you be the father of my children?
You think it is too early to begin to fantasize over that girl? I mean, you barely know her and her family.
Alex, Jeff is right.
But the fact we said you should fall in love doesn't mean you just have to jump into marriage with anyone. That doesn't make sense.
Well, I will not dispute the fact that y'all are making sense, but then if you were in my shoes, I bet you would do the same. Now think of Linda. I gave Linda all the love and support. What happened? I was patient, just like you said. I shouldn't rush into, fantasies and all of that. I gave her all the love. I was patient. What happened? She betrayed the love I had for her. So what's the point of having all of that procrastinating when I know I love this woman and it's just for me to do the needful? There's no point waiting. No, I waited. What happened? Have you forgotten?
I wish you all the best, bro.
Oh, that's a good one. Exactly. Well, that's what I expect you to say. You wish your man well.
I hope you're right. You're right this time.
No, what's the point? I did all of that for Linda. What happened?
Excuse me.
Oh, Francis, how are you?
I'm fine.
I hope you saw the food I kept for you in the kitchen.
Sure, yes I did.
Okay.
Please, I want you to do one thing for me.
What is it?
Promise me that you won't break my brother's heart. His heart is too fragile, and I hate seeing him unhappy. I like you. Sure, I like you. But it can only take me a second to dislike anyone who hurts my brother.
Anyway, if my family likes your brother, then I have no reason to break his heart.
Your family?
Mm-hmm.
Your family or you?
My family. You know, my family has to approve of the marriage for it to work. So yes, my family.
You're not sounding real.
How do you mean?
Are you the one getting married or your family?
Alright, I'm going to explain better. I'm the one getting married to your brother. But my family has to like him for the marriage to work. Do you understand?
Okay. Have you guys gone to meet them?
Okay, Francis, what is with you and your brother's love life? Why are you so concerned about his love life?
Because I don't want him to experience another heartbreak.
Another heartbreak?
Never mind.
Don't you think this engagement is too sudden? I mean, we only just met.
Love. What's the point of spending 5 years with the woman you love and have intention of making her your wife? Everybody knows where his heart belongs. My heart has chosen you, so there's no point for delay. Look, you are a virtuous woman. The devil will always pretend for long till you finally get married to her, only for her to come in and show you her true colors. What am I trying to say? I have found the woman I love. I have found the woman that makes my soul at peace. So there's no point taking time. There's no time doing all of that courtship when I know full well that definitely tomorrow you're going to be my wife. So it's never too early to go for what you want.
Thank you. I needed those words of encouragement myself. And this is actually beautiful, although it's a little bit big, but I like it. I love it.
Make sure I flew from US.
I didn't ask you to tell me that.
I just want to make sure.
Okay.
It's priceless.
Thank you. Thank you, really, I love it.
You're welcome, Miss Alice.
That sounds strange.
Mrs. Alex, actually.
Okay.
I've heard all you said, but I want to ask you a question. What do you do for a living?
Oh, that? I'm a marine engineer. You see, actually, this is my off right now, my 1 month leave. So I actually want to take this time out to, work on everything concerning the marriage. So when next I have my leave again, I will just come and finalize it.
Okay. Marine engineer, eh?
Yes, sir. Offshore.
Offshore?
Yes.
We've had you. We'll be waiting, eh?
Thank you. Sorry. Please, manage this. No, it's token, but just add it to anyone you have for miscellaneous.
For me, eh?
Let me keep it.
Don't worry, next time. God will bless you, my son, eh? Hey.
God bless you, my son. Eh? My daughter. Where can you
So, you're on our way, sir.
I'm proud of you.
Private jet. Hey! Now, what are you doing? What? Now, give me my own share. Ah!
Take it easy.
Give me my own share.
I said, take it easy. Hey!
What are you counting? It is 100,000 naira. Give me my share.
Ah. People are always in a hurry. That's why you people die quick. Let this point just rot in this one. Let us digest it.
Nah, let me digest it first. Bring the money. Let us share.
Why are you people fighting now?
Tell your father to give me my own share of the money.
Allow me to count it first. Let me know if it is complete.
It is.
You're always in a hurry.
It is.
Wait, take it easy.
Now.
I said patience. Were you not here when the young man came? And I know you are intelligent. The young man came here and gave me the money. He specifically specified that I'm the person that owns the money. Were you not here?
He gave it to us.
So
and you know,
he just
two
gave,
of us.
He gave you all this huge amount of money.
Oh, yes.
Papa, what does he do for a living that warrants him give you people this kind of money?
No, he said he's a mechanic.
He's a marine engineer. Don't mind your father.
Engineer. Papa, I think it's risky letting my sister get married to a marine engineer.
Why do you think so?
You see, Mama, those people in offshore, their lives are usually at risk. I know what I'm saying.
Hey, is it not better? Is it not better? Your sister will then inherit all his properties and all of us will automatically become millionaires.
You are a wish for saying this.
And you are a wizard.
Look at what you wish your daughter to be. A widow at such tender age.
Mama, how could you be so mean? to harbor such thoughts against your own daughter?
Is it your sister that will be dead? We are talking about the young man that will marry her.
So you want my sister to be a widow at this early age of her life?
Yeah. Is it bad? If being a widow will make her to inherit the man's property and making us to be millionaires, let her be. It's a good one.
Mama, so you're saying all this because of money?
Because of money. No.
You want to kill me so that you take this money. It's not possible.
If I had wanted you to die, you would have been dead long time ago. Give me my money. You said you don't like money. Me, I love money. You give it to me.
It's not possible.
Give it to me.
It's not possible.
Lie loose.
You know, I was still even trying to explain to him that things are quite expensive in the market. He wasn't even... Alex. Are you okay? What's bothering you?
I don't know if I don't know how I'll cope without you. It's gonna be hard without you by my side. Waking up close to you.
Okay. So what you said, this is what I have to say to you. I will be with you physically and in spirit. So you would always wake up with me by your side. Okay?
I just wish I have the power not to travel. I'm still right here with you.
You don't have the power not to, you have to go. But I'll miss you. I will.
I miss you more.
Really?
Woo!
Loneliness is going to be my companion, but what would I do?
Concerning that, I'm thinking of getting a maid, you know, to keep you company. At least you see who to talk to whenever you feel like talking to someone.
Okay. That is actually very, very nice. Thank you. I love you. Okay. Wait, hold on. I just said something.
What did you say?
Don't rush.
No.
Slow down.
Don't rush.
Wait. I know you miss me and I'll miss you. Afternoon. I'm guessing you're the new house help my husband employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope whoever brought you here told you your job details?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Just to make this clear, I don't like issues. Whatever you know you're supposed to do, please do it at the appropriate time. Okay?
Okay.
Excuse me. Where are you going?
Sorry, ma.
Never mind. Are you a graduate?
No, ma. But I went to secondary school, ma.
Okay. I hope you will deliver.
Trust me, madam. I'll deliver to the best of my ability.
Very well then. Follow me. I'll show you to your room.
Sandra, don't tell me you're still cleaning at this time of the day.
I'm sorry, Ma.
That is not the answer to my question.
I'm sorry, Ma.
Why do you keep saying you were sorry? Sorry about what? Are you okay?
Yes, Ma. I'm sorry.
You know what? I don't want this to repeat itself. I made this clear before. You have to do everything you ought to do at the appropriate time. I don't want this to repeat itself again.
Okay, Ma. It won't happen again, I promise.
I know it won't happen again. That's all you keep saying. Owen! Please get it.
You're sweating.
Now, look at this Benz guy,
What are you doing here?
I've been here for like a month now.
Wow, you're not serious, are you?
Now you're champion now. Who owns this car?
It's a long story, Mike.
So you are engaged?
I'm sorry, Mike. I had no option. There was nothing I could do.
Nothing you could do? Lillian, nothing you could do? Have you forgotten so soon? All we shared?
I didn't forget, Mike. But please, that is all in the past now.
Lillian, there is no future without the past. I gave you my life. I gave you everything. Even with the oath.
Mike, please, I beg you, just stop. You're breaking my heart. It wasn't my fault. I thought I would never see you again. Please.
Lillian, how could you do this to me? Even all I went through because of you.
I beg you. I beg you in God's name, just stop. You're breaking my heart with your words.
Lillian, my heart is already shattered. Yes. Lillian, you left me for another man just because of money. Lillian Makego. Why? How could you do this? Why? I wish I never met you. I wish I never had anything to do with you.
Yes, this is the last bus stop. Oh,
You're so heavy.
I am not heavy.
You are.
No, humans who are still alive are not heavy. You only say you've got too much weight.
Okay, you are too horrible.
Shut up, BT. Ask him, you've got too much weight.
Okay, you've got too much weight.
You need to go to school.
Horrible cable.
Oh, now I remember. Oh,
What?
how did I forget? I'm going for my service in 2 weeks. Why are you frowning? Are you not happy for me? Mike, I thought this is what you've always wanted. For me to go to school, complete my service, and when I'm back, we get married. Why are you like this?
Not that I'm not happy for you, but we're exposing you to more financial stable men wasn't part of the plan. You want to leave me and go to NYC where you meet better guys than me.
No, that is the wrong thing to say. I mean, why would you think such about me? Listen to me. Nothing will ever come between us. On my life, I swear nothing will separate us. Okay?
I am not still convinced because there is no magic in long distance relationship.
In other
and
words,
that is what I'm trying to avoid.
I should leave my service and stay here with you. Mike. You know me. I have been with you for years. And I promise you nothing will ever separate us. Yes, there is going to be distance. But that cannot break our bond. I love you and you know it.
My love, I see you walking away from me.
You know what? Let's take an oath then.
Lillian, can't you see? Can't you see we are meant for each other? Can't you see we are meant to be together? Baby, I trusted you. With everything in me, with all my heart, with all my body, with all my soul. I trusted you. Even with the oath. You couldn't wait for me. You couldn't just wait for me, even with the oath. Maybe don't you know you could have died if you had married him.
I didn't know what to do. Mike, the pressure was too much.
Oh, God.
The pressure was too much. At a point, I got lost. I didn't know what next to do. I became a shadow of my own self. My family has been making decisions for me. I couldn't just do anything. I'm sorry. Please.
Life is a mystery. This life is an adventure. Just be careful of the mistake you make today, because they can forever hurt you. Today has come. Tomorrow come only but once. But yesterday is gone forever. So you have to make a wise choice. Okay?
You are my choice. Today, tomorrow, and forever. Thank God. Thank God I found you again.
The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, It keep on burning, it can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say where you are is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs.
God bless today I found you again.
I'm happy we're back again. My life has begun to shine again.
You know, the hardest thing for me to do is forget you. You have this incredible way of making me happy.
If I remember that you're part of my life, it makes me feel complete. You gave me the immense courage to believe in myself. Thank you so much. I love you.
Okay, so why don't we go home and commit the perfect crime?
Crime?
Yes. You don't understand what that means.
I'm trying to understand.
Come on, tell you. You're just a madman. You're crazy, I
Oh,
swear.
come on. Cheers.
Oh, now you're happy, right?
You know, Onny just told me, do you know what they call it?
Book me now, shut up. What is wrong with you?
No, you will say, book me in a bed. And I'll say, book me now. Ask me.
Book you in a bed.
Wow.
Book you in a bed.
Oh my God. That's wonderful.
You see, this is one thing that made me want to forget you.
If I'm to make another choice, I will choose another you. If I'm to be a queen, I won't think twice to make you my king. If I'm to describe you with only one word, I will say that you are alive. The love is so strong, but they don't understand, though. Allow me to be with the one I love, and that is my wish. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. Whoa, in your hands, it's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs.
Time, patience, and perseverance will accomplish all things. In every problem, there is a hidden treasure inside.
The love is so strong, but they don't understand, though. Allow me to be with the one I love, and that is my wish. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say where you are is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. Whoa, in your hands.
Leave the meat now. No. When you finish food, eat meat.
She don't get out of food. Mama? Lillian! Mama? What are you doing here? Nothing. How many times have I warned you to stay away from this wretched man? Eh?
Mama,
will you shut up? Shut that asshole you call mouth!
Wait, you come here.
Lillian! Mama? Lillian! Hey, Mama! Lillian! Mama! Get out of my way! Mama! Mama! You! Continue digging your own grave. Look at the food he's eating. There is no meat on it.
He can join us.
Can join you. Go and look for a better work to do. Not selling chewing gum, indomie, chewing gum, sweet. On a maybe show more. Eh? Make money like Dangote and other people. In an empire really without me.
Mama, everything outside the home. Hey!
What sense? Make money! Leave my daughter alone! Come out!
Eh? Omakazi?
I love to be a winner. You have to go for what you want. Pay the price. Go for it and get it. Life is full of opportunities.
Success is not always achieved by hard work. Without God by your side, all your effort might be in vain.
Not to forget, with God all things are possible. I promise to love you, to cherish you. I promise to be with you in time of happiness, sorrow, distress, even in death.
Even in death, I'll always be with you. Where you live, I live. Where you die, I die. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the judgment that something is more important than one's fear. I will stand on my feet and be courageous to take what is mine. Who is that? Wow!
Hello.
See who we have here.
Okay.
Wow. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Well, I decided to pay you a surprise visit.
For you?
Mm-hmm.
You look good.
I know. I saw myself in the mirror before I came out. Anyway, I came to take you out for lunch.
Wait. How did you know I'm hungry?
Well, let's say true friendship is always felt.
I got this girl. Okay. We're going out soon. But before then, I'm going to spend some time with you. I need to spend some time with you.
Okay, so tell me, what is it you have to tell me this time? Okay.
I love you.
Is that all?
Nothing more.
Okay. And I love you too.
I love you more.
Shut up. I love you more.
Nobody know I love you more.
No, I love you more. Okay. Let's
I need to spend some time with you. Bring your leg here.
So, I'm doing lunch and fun.
Will, but
you sure?
We'll spend some time.
Stop it. See, I'll break your head.
Bring that leg. Bring it here. Bring it here.
So, Mike, I think I'll get you. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
No.
No.
Before you go.
It keep up burning until it burns itself out.
Okay, so turn on the AC here. Then reduce. Oh, you reduce the fan. Put it auto so it could get cold. Yes. So
we move.
We move. I think we should take that route.
This one?
Yeah.
This one is not good. We'll take the other one.
Okay. You're enjoying the AC, right?
Enjoying
the AC. Hey! Move. That's a big. Please watch the sticks behind. No, this one doesn't look like big, so please.
You see, the game of love is just like a fire. It keep on burning until it burns itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say, where you are, it's where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs.
Like,
it is where my heart belongs.
You say yes, not Gogo.
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't changed one.
No, Gogo, make it marry. When you say Gogo, because you know that you're feeling it. Gogo.
It is where my heart belongs. Oh, in your hands. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. Oh, if I'm to make another choice, I will choose another you. If I'm to be a queen, I won't think twice to make you my king. If I'm to describe you with only one word, I will say that you are life. The love is so strong, but they don't understand though. Allow me to be with the one I love, and that is my wish. So even if you're shouting, it's keep on burning.
Are you not getting from me? Is your AC not working? That is so hot. No, you don't like me, eh? Just get me a bottle of water. Is your AC not working? That is so hot. Sir. Please do. Get him. Look at the way I'm sweating. Wow. Brotherly, what's wrong?
You see, in this life, sometimes it's not in the nature of some persons to be wicked. Sometimes it's not their nature. It's what has happened to them in the past.